filter and changing it over. So first of all we're going to lose the screw. Normally it's located at the top, but it may find that one screw at the bottom. Put that safely to one side so you don't lose it, and then you lift the top of the cover and pull it down. It unclips at the bottom of the unit, so you may need to drop it down slightly and pull it off. And inside you'll see two fans, and those fans are connected up with these cables to clips, so they're plugs. So unplug the green plug and then unplug and untangle the leads, and then unplug the black plug as well for the top fan. You pull the unit out, slide it all out, spin it round, and there's your filter. Pinch the filter out, just like changing a Hoover filter, and you're either going to Hoover that or wash it and then let it dry, or replace the filter with a new one. Pop it back in and slide the unit back in, and that's changing the filter over. And then you pop the green plug back into its slot. It helps if you've got little fingers. Make sure the cables are out of the way, and then we do the same with the bottom fan, with just unclipping the black clip just there. And then pop the cover back on, so locating it at the bottom first, and then bending it up at the top to get it into position at the top, and then you pop your screw back on, and that's changing the filter on the AIRUNIT Gemini.